Ever pondered over the simple yet essential item in your home, the towel? Ever wondered how this everyday item is made? It's quite the journey, this transformation of humble cotton into the soft, absorbent fabric that graces our bathrooms, kitchens, and gyms. Towels, an often overlooked commodity, play a pivotal role in our daily routines. From drying off after a shower to mopping up spills, they're there for us. Now prepare yourself as we embark on a fascinating journey, unraveling the story of a towel, from a humble cotton ball to the soft, absorbent fabric in your bathroom. The life of a towel begins in a cotton field. Yes, you heard it right, a cotton field. This fluffy plant, the cotton, is the main ingredient in the recipe for a towel. Now, growing cotton isn't as simple as planting a seed and waiting. It requires careful attention to weather conditions, soil health, and pest control. The cotton plant sprouts small white bolls that, when mature, burst open to reveal the fluffy cotton fiber we're all familiar with. Harvesting this cotton is a meticulous process, done either by hand or machine, depending on the scale of the farm. Harvesters must ensure they collect only the prime, fluffy cotton, leaving behind any discolored or damaged fiber. This is crucial because the quality of the cotton directly influences the durability and softness of the towel it will eventually become. Once harvested, the cotton is cleaned and prepared for its transformation into yarn. This is the first step in the journey from cotton field to your bathroom rack, the birth of a towel. Now that we have our cotton, it's time to spin a tale of yarn, that is. It all begins with the process of carding, where the cotton fibers are disentangled and aligned to form a soft, fluffy web, almost like cotton candy. Next, this web of fibers is drawn out and twisted to form a thin, continuous strand of raw yarn. But here's where it gets interesting. The thickness of this yarn plays a crucial role in the texture of the final towel. If we spin a thicker yarn, we get a plush, soft towel that feels luxurious against the skin. On the other hand, a thinner yarn results in a lightweight, quick-drying towel, perfect for a workout or a trip to the beach. And so, the story of the cotton continues, spun into countless threads of yarn. With our yarn ready, we're one step closer to our final product. We now enter the magical realm of weaving, where our cotton yarn transforms into the familiar fabric of a towel. In this enchanting stage, the cotton yarn, spun with such precision, is introduced to the loom, a modern marvel that weaves together our humble yarn into a beautifully formed fabric. There, the threads of the warp and the weft intertwine in a choreographed dance, each one playing its part in the creation of the towel we know and love. But did you know, not all towels are woven the same. Different types of weaves result in different textures, absorbency, and comfort. The most common type, the terry weave, is what gives your bath towel that plush, absorbent quality. It's like a hug in fabric form, isn't it? Then there's the waffle weave. This type of weave, with its distinctive grid-like pattern, results in a lighter, more breathable towel. It's a favorite for kitchen towels, perfect for those hot pots and pans. And let's not forget the velour weave. This one's a bit of a showstopper. The threads are sheared on one side to create a luxurious, velvety feel. A velour beach towel? Now that's living in the lap of luxury. Fresh off the loom, our towel is almost ready, but it's not quite finished yet. Stay tuned as we delve into the final stages of this fascinating process. Now comes the final stage, the finishing touch, where our towel gets its softness and absorbency. It's a bit like giving a star performer a final makeover before they step onto the stage. First, the towels undergo bleaching. This process removes any remaining impurities and also prepares the fabric for dyeing, ensuring the color will be even and vibrant. Next up is the dyeing process. It's here where the towels get their lovely colors, from cool blues to warm reds, creating a visual feast for your bathroom. But the real magic happens in the softening process. The towels are treated with fabric softeners, which not only make them feel wonderfully soft against your skin, but also enhance their absorbency. This process gives the towel its final texture and appearance, transforming it from a simple piece of fabric into a cozy, inviting towel. And there you have it, a towel, ready to dry you off after a refreshing bath. So the next time you reach for your towel, remember the journey it has undergone to reach you. From the cotton fields through spinning yarn and weaving magic to the finishing touches, each step is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a stark reminder of the effort that goes into making everyday items that we often take for granted. So let's take a moment to appreciate these unsung heroes of our daily lives. Enjoyed the journey? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such insightful journeys. Until next time, stay curious.